Hello students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS vocabulary for environment and advertisement. So vocabulary and building vocabulary is very important. If you don't know the word or if you don't know the meaning of the word, what happens is that you often get confused, and that's why building vocabulary is very important. So let's look at some words used in the context of environment. First one is deforestation. The cutting down of trees in an area. Deforestation is simply when we cut down a lot of trees to build houses, hotels, or anything. Deforestation is primarily done for purposes of building something, or you want the raw material to build something. Okay, it's a very bad thing for environment. That's why we have the converse of deforestation is afforestation. Okay. Second one is extinct, no longer exists. Dinosaurs are extinct. They do not exist apart from their fossils, of course. The third one is climate change. Change in the world's weather, particularly rise in temperature due to human activity. Climate change is one of the biggest concerns in the world today. What is climate change? Climate change is rise of temperature, the melting of glaciers due to human activities. What are these human activities? Burning of fossil fuels. Okay? So you might have questions about climate change in your IELTS writing task 2. The fourth one is habitat. Natural environment wherein an animal or plant lives. Habitat is the natural environment in which a plant or an animal lives. Okay. Fifth one is pollute. To make air, water or soil dirty. Pollution is one of the biggest concerns. We pollute our environment in a number of ways. Vehicles cause air pollution. While when we let go of all the solid waste into our rivers, we cause polluted rivers. Okay. So pollution is definitely something that is a major concern. Okay. Now let's look at vocabulary for advertisement. First one is consumer, a person who buys goods or services. Consumers are people who buy goods or services. When you buy an Apple product, you become a consumer of Apple. Launch a product, introducing a new product. Apple has launched iPhone 15, so they have brought a new product into the market. The third is brand loyalty, the degree to which people continue to buy product from same company. Some people prefer Apple products. They buy MacBook Air, iPhone, same thing from the same company. They buy different things from the same company because they trust that company a lot. The fourth one is advertising agencies, a company that creates advertisement for other companies. Advertising agencies are companies that create advertisements for other companies. Okay. Endorse, showing official support to some product or cause. Endorsement could be paid. Most times they are paid. Endorsements are basically advertisements that are done by celebrities or some famous people. These are some of the words that can be used in environment as well as advertisement. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button